the body of the cash register. Big damage. Now we're going for the coin collector. I think we hit that. Alright, we've done some good damage. Now we're going to try and hit it in the screen again. Alright, let's go check it out. Still done.
Alright, 6-shot damage. This button is done for. We didn't really do any damage to the screen, but this, James hit this twice. Once. And all it did was move an inch. I'm starting to believe this is indestructible.